Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the concept of a minor arc. We will understand what it is, how it differs from other arcs, and how to identify it on a circle. Before we jump into arcs, let us quickly recall what a circle is. A circle is a set of all points that are at a fixed distance from a center point. The total distance around the circle is called the circumference. So, what is an arc? An arc is simply a connected part of the circumference of a circle. Imagine the crust of a pizza slice. That curved edge is an arc. Now, let us define a minor arc. A minor arc is an arc that is smaller than a semicircle. This means its measure is always less than 180 degrees. It represents the shortest path along the circle between 2 points. It is important to distinguish between a minor arc and a major arc. If you pick 2 points on a circle, they create 2 arcs. The shorter path is the minor arc, shown here in green. The longer path, which goes the long way around, is the major arc, shown in red. There is a direct relationship between a minor arc and its central angle. If the central angle measures x degrees, then the measure of the minor arc is also x degrees. For example, if the angle at the center is 90 degrees, the minor arc is 90 degrees. In geometry, we have specific ways to write things down. A minor arc is named using just the 2 endpoints. For example, A and B, we write it as a B with a small curve over the top. Major arcs usually require 3 letters to specify the long way around. You see minor arcs everywhere. Look at Pac-Man. The open mouth forms a minor arc, while the body forms a major arc. Or look at a clock. The edge from 12 to 4 is a minor arc because it covers less than half the clock face. To summarize, a minor arc is any part of a circle's circumference that is less than a semicircle or 180 degrees. It is the shortest distance between 2 points on a circle and is named using its 2 endpoints.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.